This video will show you how to log your reading for the summer reading game on Beanstack. First, sign in. When you are signed in, you can choose the reader in the upper right corner. Then you will be able to see what challenges are available to that reader. I'm going to click on our summer reading game and then click on Join Challenge. And you got your first badge for signing up. It will now show up on the list of challenges you're participating in. Now I'm going to click on Log Reading and Activities at the top of the page. Use the drop-down menu to choose the reader you're logging for. You can choose to log by day or activities. If you choose to log days, you'll be shown a calendar and you can mark which days you read. Title and author are optional. Click Log and you are done. Now I'll go back to Log Reading or Activities to mark an activity. Choose the appropriate age or grade to see what activities are available for that age group. When you complete an activity, check it off. If you did an activity in place of reading on a particular day, you'll want to make sure to mark that day off on the calendar because it won't automatically get recorded. When you're done with your logging, you can click on the gear icon to sign out. Thanks for playing our summer reading game.